This is a 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, privacy glass, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
City World Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3305 Boston Road in the Bronx.